Hello everyone, my name is Dr. David Kulla, the inventor and creator of the Reflux Shield. We have been performing the hiatal hernia maneuver for the alleviation of acid reflux here for Lourdes. And you've had, at this point, how many treatments?
Like 3 or 4. 3.
So we're on 3 treatments here for her. And would you say that you've had improvement over 50%?
Over 50%.
Where would you say? 60, 70, 80? Or
Something about, I would say 60.
60%. So she's had 60% improvement over the course of 3 treatments, okay? And not everybody responds that quickly, but we're gonna ask her a couple of questions. What symptoms were you suffering from?
Before or now?
Before, when you first
Before,
started.
a lot of reflex. It was like burning in my chest.
Okay, a lot of acid reflux. So that was your main symptom and pain, correct?
And pain.
Okay. And how long did you have it for?
For years.
Okay. So years with acid reflux. And what type of treatments did you try in the past?
Different medicine.
Different, like omeprazole, Prilosec, Nexium. Okay, so she tried many of the typical medications like Prilosec and Nexium, and did they work?
No, nada.
Okay, and a lot of people have that outcome. The medication may work in the beginning, and then after a while, it stops to work. So, how has this condition affected your life?
Very difficult because all the time with that pain is not easy.
And also difficult to sleep, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So, what was your expectation when you came here?
To feel better.
Okay. Some people feel that, the technique that we use is, they're skeptical. Oftentimes people are really skeptical about it. Were you skeptical when you came in here originally?
Yeah, I would say I would try. I don't lose anything trying.
Mm-hmm. But you weren't convinced that anything would happen or you would get any changes. Yeah. So I can understand that. A lot of people feel that way. Now, obviously now you're doing about 60% better and the acid reflux is much better. Would you recommend having this maneuver done to other people that suffer from acid reflux?
Yeah, keep telling them.
So there you go, folks. There is, another testimonial. This is a real patient, and that kind of gives you some insight as to the Reflux Shield and how that's going to help you guys out there. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.